Hey, what's up everybody? It's Brian, B2Rismo. Real quick tonight, I'm going to show you how to take the taillight out of this car. You got two screws here, 8 millimeters. We're going to release that. That's about all there is to it. So, as I said, release the two screws. There's two pins here, if you can see these, that plug into the side of the car here. You need to pull outward towards the side. You need to do that on either side when you go to remove the taillight. And then from here, it's kind of a pain in the neck because you got this whole harness here. There's not a simple way to just disconnect one big plug and then have the taillight come free. So you can kind of hang it over the side here so you don't scratch your paint. And that's about it. Thanks for watching this video. Always remember, keep right, pass left.